Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we'll learn how to correct invalid HSN codes while generating GST returns in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the GST returns module. Select GSTR1 as the GST return type. Choose the time period for which you wish to generate the return. Then click on the Generate button. You can either export this data to an Excel file by clicking the Upload button. You can also prepare a JSON file. Let's export this data to an Excel file by clicking the Upload button. The data has now been successfully exported to an Excel file. Next, open the GST Offline tool and upload this Excel file. Enter the required details and proceed. Then, select Import Excel and choose the file we just created. And click on Yes button to save the data. As you can see, a warning message appears after uploading the Excel file, indicating invalid HSN code inputs in rows 6 and 7. To verify this issue, open the Excel file and navigate to the HSN B2B sheet, where you can see the incorrect HSN codes in those rows. To resolve this, open the Setup Harmonious Codes Descriptions module in Logic ERP. Use the Find filter to locate the invalid HSN code. Once identified, update it with the correct HSN code and corresponding details, then save the changes made. Now, let's return to the GST Returns module. Re-export the data into an Excel file and upload it to the GST Offline tool following the same procedure as we did earlier. As you can see, the Excel file has been successfully uploaded and its summary can be viewed here. Finally, you can upload the return by clicking on the Generate File button.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.